Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install Visual Studio in your system. Let's close this pop-up box first. So closing this pop-up, click on Keep. Now opening this installer file. Now let's click on Continue. Now it's downloading some file from internet, so you have to wait some seconds. Now here are some development tools for Python development, Azure development, Node.js development, for creating different types of applications in different technologies. So here I am just clicking all the softwares first. So installing all the softwares now. I'm selecting all the softwares now. Here you can see Android SDK is showing. So you can use this Android SDK for creating applications in Xamarin, which is cross-platform. Like for creating one application which run in Android and iOS and Windows all platforms. So such applications are called cross-platform applications. Now it's installing. It will take some time. So wait for completion of download process. Now my download is almost finished. Just a few seconds now. Restarting my system. Now again opening my Visual Studio after restarting system. Now it will ask for sign in. So you can sign in with your Microsoft account, or you can create a Microsoft account. Now signing with my account. So you can see I successfully signed into my Microsoft account now. Now creating my first project. So selecting .NET Core Application, changing project name to Hello World. Now click on Create. Now wait for project creation completion. So my project has been created. You can see this simple project. The name space is our project name. We define the project name. We are under project name, and program.cs file is main file which run in our program. So you can see this class file program.cs, and main method is called when we run the program first. So initial method will be called is our main method. Now running my project. So you can see simple output hello world in C#, which is generated by C# console app. Now you can see the exe file which is generated by Visual Studio. So clicking on Show in Explorer. Here clicking on Show in Explorer. Now inside bin folder, in debug project name, you can see helloworld.exe, which is generated by Visual Studio. So clicking on it, here my program closed instantly because I didn't take any input from user. So adding a line, console.read line, so it hold our program until we didn't write any input in console. So adding read line method. Now again running the project. So you can see now program is hold until we didn't write any input. So it's working. Now also running this. helloworld.exe file. So opening helloworld.exe. So it's working. So this is simple example of C# console app